Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Verma and I am a part of Lexis and Company as a legal intern. Today I am going to talk about rights of surety against principal debtor and creditor, which comes under the contract of guarantee under Indian Contract Act 1872. So who is surety? Surety is a person who comes forward to pay the amount in the event of the borrower failing to pay the amount. In simple words, surety is a person who gives assurance to the creditor that in case of failure to the repayment of loan or repayment of amount by the principal debtor, he will pay the amount. So after payment or after paying such amount, the surety has certain rights which given under the Contract Act against the principal debtor. Uh, we are going to discuss as follow. Uh, Number one right is right of subrogation, which defines under section 140 of the Act. Subrogation refers to the practice of substituting one party for another in a legal setting. So, in this right, when principal debtor makes default in performance of his duty, that is failure to pay the payment, and on such default, the surety makes the necessary payment or makes performance of all what he is liable with all the creditors had against the principal debtor. In other words, the surety steps into the shoes of the creditor and by an action against the principal debtor, he can recover such amount from him which could have been recovered by the creditor. This is known as surety's right of subrogation. Basically, in this right, he writes into the shoes of creditor, and after paying off the creditor, he becomes a creditor to the principal debtor. Now he is going to recover his money from principal debtor. Second right against the principal debtor is right of indemnify against the principal debtor. This right been defined under section 145 of the Act. In this right, when the contract, when the principal debtor makes a default, the surety has to make the payment to the creditor. This payment is made by the surety to the creditor, that is on behalf of the principal debtor. After such payment, surety has right to recover the same from the principal debtor. Such a claim can be made by the surety only in respect of sum he has rightfully paid under the guarantee. In this right, he can claim the amount which he has paid rightly, but not the sum which he paid wrongfully. Now let's see what are the rights against the creditor. Rights of surety against the creditor. Number one right is right to security with the creditors. Section 141 of the Act states this right, and which defines that after the surety has performed his duty under the contract of guarantee, he is subrogated to all the rights which are available to the creditor against the principal debtor. Section 141 makes a further provision in that regard, according to which a surety is entitled to the benefit of every security which the creditor has against the principal debtor at that time when the contract of suretyship is entered into. Under this right, basically, surety subrogated the creditor, and he has all the right over the property or the benefit which the creditor has against the principal debtor. For say, if creditor has some property of principal debtor as a mortgage, so after repaying the loan, so now the surety took over that property as a mortgage against the principal debtor. However, it is not necessary that at the time of making the contract, the surety should be aware of the security which the creditors had. Loss of securities without creditors' negligence. if there is a security has been given by the principal debtor, and somehow the creditor resulted in somehow creditor loses such security, and this will be result in the discharge of the surety. If such securities are lost without any fault of the creditor, then the surety is not discharged from thereby. I hope you like the video. Thank you.